welcome back to the channel. I have no idea why I did that, but welcome back. Today I am going to be trying a shirt. Now this is supposed to be 100% polyester, it's supposed to feel like cotton. It's supposed to be really good for sublimation. It is a small business. I want to see how it turns out first, and then I give you a little bit more at the end. This is supposed to be a youth extra large. Unfortunately, I didn't have any other sizes youth wise. I'm going to make this for my son. I know, white shirt for a alas, you know. So from that being said, let's go ahead and find something. He is into a couple of different things right now, and I kind of have an idea of what I think I'm going to do. The heat press has been on and ready. I just need to find a design, print it out on the printer, and go ahead and find the center and press this on. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So from watching other videos, first thing you're going to do is go ahead and press your shirt to get any of that moisture out. Next thing you're going to do is align your design once you have it printed, and you're going to go ahead and press this. Alright, so I found an image that I think he's going to absolutely love. Now I found these online. I don't know how accurate this is, but it's supposed to be for size placement chart and sublimation. Right now I'm in youth extra large, so it should be 8.5 size wise, and it should be placed 1.5 to 2 inches from the neck. It's very similar to embroidery. This design is 10 by 10. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and go with the size that's currently on here. I'm going to send it to the printer. It's a lot of colors, so I'm pretty excited about this to see how this turns out. I forgot to hit record when I was doing the press portion of it, at least when I was prepping it for the press. I did lint roll it, but after, so I did get a little bit of lint on there. That's what you're going to see, little blue marks on there. However, the sublimation on this turned out absolutely beautiful. The colors look beautiful. It's very easy to prep, very easy to press. I am very excited about this. I do have a couple of things that I reached out to the company about, and they're working on it. I unfortunately have to reach out to them again, but I will link them down below. I would like for you to also give them an opportunity, see how you like the shirts. They feel nice, they feel like they're going to be comfortable shirts. These are men's sizes and youth sizes. The only size that I could get in youth was extra large. But if you like to check them out, as I said, I will link them down below. I will be in contact with them. So far, customer service has been pretty good, and I would like to do a shirt for myself, just to kind of wear it and see how it fits on, you know, on us ladies. They are supposed to be working on lady sizes, so we'll see how that turns out. I purchased 2 of each size, 2 different colors. I used the white one today. This is supposed to be the youth extra large. I'll show you this because it looks so nice. So this is what the shirt's looking like, and I could have gone bigger on this, but the colors turned out great. I'll insert a picture. I have the gray ones and the white one I showed you. Shipping was quick. I want to say it's pretty decent actually. And other than that, yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.